My husband and I, we love to garden, and it's always nice to have an extra pair of pruners. So we just picked this up from Amazon, and these are the precision pruners, and let's open it up and check it out. So the nice thing is it has a locking mechanism, which you easily are able to open and close. And I like these grips. Oh, can you hear that? Wow. This looks like it's going to be an excellent product. It also has a spring. Sounds very sharp. And I like that it has a non-slip handle. Very pleased with this. Another nice thing is it has stainless steel blades. And wow, these feel sharp. So now let's try it out in the garden. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.